In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSH access in GoDaddy hosting and open the terminal in cPanel. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy account and make sure you're on the dashboard for the hosting plan you want to manage. If you have more than one product in your account, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct hosting environment before making any changes. This helps avoid updating the wrong site by mistake. Once you're inside the hosting management area, open the settings section for that hosting plan. In this area, you'll find different configuration options related to your server and account access. What you're looking for here is the SSH access setting. SSH is what allows you to connect securely to your hosting account through the command line, which is especially useful for more advanced tasks, file management, and running certain commands directly on the server. When you find the SSH access option, switch it to ON. After enabling it, give the system a moment if needed to apply the change. Depending on your hosting setup, the update may be available right away, but it's always a good idea to pause briefly and make sure the setting stays enabled before moving on. After SSH access is turned on, the next step is to open cPanel. This is where GoDaddy provides access to a number of hosting tools, including the browser-based terminal. Once cPanel loads, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. The cPanel interface includes many icons and categories, so if you don't see it immediately, just keep scrolling carefully until you locate it. Inside the Advanced section, click Terminal. This will open the built-in command line interface directly in your browser, so you can work on the server without needing a separate SSH client. For many users, this is the fastest and easiest way to access the command line, especially when you just need to run a few commands quickly. The first time you open Terminal, you may see a warning or confirmation screen. This is normal. It's there to remind you that command line access can make direct changes to your hosting account. To continue, click I understand. Once you do that, the terminal interface will open and you'll be ready to use the command line within your hosting environment. That's it. SSH access is now enabled and you've successfully opened the terminal in cPanel.